Remember the era focused on solving just one problem at a time. Yet, as the world grows more complex, artificial intelligence begins to dominate logical thinking. A pivotal question emerges. What becomes our most valuable human asset? Yes, it's inherent creativity, an intuitive force for innovation. RTBT and the house are changing the game. Instead of fixing one problem at a time, we are inspiring a holistic approach, a movement. Our goal is to empower individuals to deeply connect with their dreams and creativity, find their people, helping them take on the challenges they see in the world. Every dream and idea begins in the heart, an integral part of our human existence, representing an immense global market from now and into the future. Creativity and art has always been pivotal in translating human dreams and visions into reality. Creativity and art have always been pivotal in translating human dreams into reality. Creativity and art have always been pivotal in translating dreams and visions into reality, from the very beginning and until the end of time. Does your heart beat? So does mine. Thank you.